Setting alerts on Webull is a useful feature that helps you stay on top of market movements and make informed investment decisions. To get started, open the Webull app and log into your account. Navigate to the watch list or details page of the stock you want to set an alert for. Click on the bell icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the alert settings menu. Here, you can choose from a variety of alert types, including price alerts, volume alerts, and news alerts. For example, if you want to set a price alert, select the price alert option and choose the condition, such as when the stock price reaches a certain level or when it moves by a certain percentage. You can also set the alert to trigger when the stock price falls below or rises above a certain level. Once you have selected the alert type and condition, click the Confirm button to save the alert. You can also customize the alert settings to receive notifications at specific times of the day or when certain events occur. It is a good practice to set multiple alerts for different conditions, so you can stay informed about various market scenarios. Additionally, you can review and manage your existing alerts by going to the Alert Settings menu and editing or deleting them as needed. Setting alerts on Webull is a straightforward process that can help you stay on top of market movements and make informed investment decisions. By following these steps, you can create customized alerts that meet your specific needs and investment goals.